bringing your parents. So what's more natural than I want to have my parents with me in Canada? Unfortunately, in my opinion, parents and grandparents get the short end of the stick. Why? Because first we have a lottery system. The lottery system was last open, or you could buy a lottery ticket or put a form on the internet in the year 2020. IRCC received hundreds of thousands of entries, and since then, whenever the pool opens, it's only from the entries in 2020. So what if I don't have an entry from 2020? So we do have solutions. For example, humanitarian is one of them. But the big question is, does anybody know when the pool will open again? The truth, nobody knows. If anybody tells you they know, this is not accurate. So if you're already in the 2020 pool, good for you, and hopefully you get invited. If not, and if they don't reopen the pool again, then humanitarian is the only solution for parents or grandparents.